tagapagpadaloy po natin, ang pagkarinig ko sa press conference ay pest conference. Kasi ang ating pag-uusapan ay pest na importante na ma-address po natin, ito yung African swine fever. Sa atin pong mga kasamahan sa media, sa kasamahan ko sa DOST, sa pangunan ni Undersecretary Dr. Leje Bendia, Undersecretary for Research and Development, si Dr. Ray Iborra, ng DOST Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources, Research and Development, at syempre ang kasamahan niya sa PCAARRD, mga guests, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. In May 2025, the Bureau of Animal Industry reported 25.9% increase in meat imports during the first quarter of this year compared to the same period in 2024, and 53.2% of which is pork. The continued importation of pork serves as a short-term measure to mitigate the impact of African swine fever or ASF in the country. The ASF virus, a causative agent of hemorrhagic fever in pigs, has continuously devastated the swine industry in the Philippines. ASF outbreaks have occurred in 76 out of 82 provinces since 2019, with 7 provinces having active cases as of April 15, 2025. In response, the Department of Agriculture is calling on local hog raisers to produce an additional 2 million hogs annually to recover from the economic and food security impact of ASF. Today, the Department of Science and Technology, DOST, is holding a press conference themed Pig-Usapan. Okay po yung term, no? Pig-Usapan. Kaya dapat pinag-uusapan po natin ito. Pig-Usapan, agham, teknolohiya at inovasyon laban sa African swine fever. A timely event to present scientific solutions for our local swine industry. As a government agency committed to advancing science, technology, and innovation, DOST has continuously backed research initiatives focusing on diagnostics and vaccine development for animal infectious diseases such as ASF. The first technology that we will present today is the DOST Rapid DNA Extraction Kit, developed by DOST Industrial Technology Development Institute, or DOST ITDI, and this was designed to aid the detection and management of ASF. This equipment-free kit delivers rapid, accurate, and high-quality DNA extraction from blood samples of potentially ASF-infected pigs. With its user-friendly design and optimized performance for locally circulating ASF strains, this kit enables on-site testing in veterinary and agricultural settings, helping to control ASF outbreaks and reduce economic loss. So this is really to get the sample to be analyzed. So together with the DOST, DOST ITDI has also developed VIP Tech ASFP qPCR detection kit. So now this will be the technology to analyze what was sampled. This kit was designed to offer rapid and accurate detection of ASF. It was optimized for use with portable and cost-effective qPCR machines, making it highly suitable for early and on-site diagnostics in settings where conventional laboratory resources may be unavailable or limited. And this is especially useful, and it enhances its practicality for veterinarians and animal science professionals working in field settings, reducing virus transmission and economic loss. So we have on-site sampling and on-site analysis. Through the funding from the DOST Business Innovation, through S&T or BIST for Industry Program, another modality of how we assist existing enterprises, our local company, Bioassets Corporation, developed the first Filipino-made Mobile Biocontainment Laboratory or MBL to support rapid response to potential outbreaks and improve capacity building and disease surveillance that would enable farmers and veterinarians to craft mitigation strategies, preventive and control measurements at the point of need. So ang kagandahan nito, pwedeng itong umikot kung saan para yung isasample doon na rin mismo ma-contain at hindi kumalat at ma-analyze. So the technologies featured in this event will delve into the potential of science, technology, and innovation to address critical issues in animal health, especially regarding ASF. It highlights how science, technology, innovation can contribute holistic solutions to pressing animal health challenges that impact our food security. So, some of these technologies were funded through our virology and vaccine research program prior to the actual approval and passage of the Virology and Vaccine Institute of the Philippines. So, yung mga problema po na ating ina-address pagdating sa mga viruses ay hindi lang kahadaan sa susunod na pandemya, kundi pagre-resolba ng mga problema patungkol sa pagkain, our food security. Kaya napaka-importante na ipakita natin na kayang gawin ng mga Pilipino ang mga teknolohiya na makakatulong sa pag-address sa ating problema sa mga pagkain. So before I end, I would like to thank DOST ITDI and DOST PCAARRD for their contributions in the development of the technologies to be presented today. So kahit po naman baboy ang subject matter, ay seryoso po tayo dyan. Salamat sa ITDI and PCAARRD. I would also like to thank our DOST Balik scientist, Dr. Homer Pantua, for his pioneering efforts in developing technologies for animal care. Congratulations as well to DOST PCAARRD for spearheading this Technology to People press conference. Dr. Iborra, ang tawag ko nga ay press conference. Kasi napaka-importante nitong ating pinag-uusapan. Through strong and strategic science communication, we can better reach our stakeholders, local swine raisers, veterinarians, local government units, and consumers, and strengthen public trust in science-driven solutions. So as we move forward, let us emphasize the critical importance of establishing the Virology and Vaccine Institute of the Philippines. With VIP, we can boost our country's capacity to anticipate, detect, and respond to emerging and re-emerging viral threats, not just for animals, but for plants and humans as well. Why do we need to establish one in the Philippines, and why not use other solutions coming from other countries? Simply because the strains that we may have may be different from the strains that other vaccines developed in other countries are addressing. Example is the tuberculosis problem in the Philippines, which is not really eradicated simply because we have our own TB strain in the Philippines. Just also for ASF, we have to make sure that the strains that are available, that are present in the Philippines, are the ones addressed by any vaccine that will be developed, and hopefully soon we will have one. So our long-term investment at the Department of Science and Technology is to really help ensure health security, food sustainability, and national resilience. And these can only be achieved by working together with many other agencies within the system and other departments and universities within the Philippines. By